Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you will be fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Summer is the season of warmth and holidays. But it can also cause damage to your skin due to increased levels of UV rays, humidity, and environmental factors. A summer skincare routine is essential to protect and nourish your skin, keeping it healthy and glowing. Here are some natural methods using common ingredients found in every home. This simple skincare routine focuses on protection, hydration, and bringing radiance to your skin in strong summer conditions. First, protection. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is important during summer. To make a natural sunscreen, mix a teaspoon of aloe vera gel with a teaspoon of coconut oil. Apply it to your skin before going out. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe sunburns, while coconut oil has a natural SPF of 4 to 5, which can help protect the skin from UV damage. Second, hydration. Hydrating your skin is essential during the summer months, as the heat can cause dehydration and dryness. Mix 1 teaspoon of rose water with 1 teaspoon of cucumber juice and apply it to your skin as a natural hydrating toner. Rose water has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin, while cucumber juice is hydrating and helps cool the skin. Third, radiance. Healthy skin is reflected in a radiant, glowing complexion. To make a face mask, mash a slice of ripe papaya in a bowl until it becomes a smooth pulp. Squeeze half a lemon into the bowl, add 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, and mix well to form a paste. Apply the mixture to your face and neck and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and then pat your skin dry. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain that helps exfoliate and brighten your skin, while lemon juice contains vitamin C that brightens and evens out your skin tone. Chickpea flour is a natural exfoliant that helps remove dead skin cells and impurities, leaving your skin brighter and smoother. You can use this mask once or twice a week for the best results. By using these 3 natural methods in your summer skincare routine, you can protect your skin from UV rays, keep it hydrated, and achieve a glowing complexion. Remember to do a small patch test before trying out any natural remedies to ensure that they suit your skin and don't cause any allergic reactions. Try out these natural methods for protection, hydration, and glow, and maintain healthy, radiant skin this summer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.